We certainly pushed through that 178.04 channel top last week. The rubber band stretched, did not snap. It would have snapped had we closed at or above that green line, which is a 1% threshold above 178.04. This week's magic number is 179.82. And so if we close Friday 179.82 or higher, we enter another buy signal that should over the next 2 to 3 months yield that 219.64, a full swing count. The trade that took place last week, the selling of resistance. I know some of you may have gotten caught long for a day or two. I'm hoping that you're out of that by now, but really I'm talking the short side. For those of you who played the short side and stayed in, bravo. This is an exercise in trade psychology, an exercise in patience. And so setting a short at 178.04 and just sort of waiting it out, certainly with a worst case stop loss above the market that doesn't represent more than 2% of your overall trading capital, that would be my recommendation. But waiting it out and not jumping the gun on exiting a short position too early. And here we are well below 178.04. And I'm going to say that 149.64 is now expected over the next 2 to 3 months. We don't have a sell signal per se that suggests as much. 158.36 I think is a worst case scenario. But I will also say that closing today below 168.22 does correlate with bearish continuation. So I've mentioned how these two channel bottoms, 168.22 and 158.36, are at the very least very solid 3 to 5 day swing trade opportunities. 168.22, if tested today, can contain weekly selling pressures. We can round up from here back into the upper 170s quite easily within 3 to 5 days. If we close below 168.22, 3 to 5 day sell signal, 3 to 5 day swing trade shifts south to 158.36. 158.36 may well contain selling through all of August. And from here we can round back up into the upper 170s within 3 to 5 weeks. But over the next full month, 158.36 actually rises by early September into the mid to upper 170s. We can bottom out at 158.36, round back up to 178.04 within 3 to 5 weeks, and still within 2 to 3 months fall to 149.64. Day itself, 172.81. This channel bottom, we bounced off of it. I mean, yes, we broke it a bit on Friday, but we came off of it. It is an intraday pivot point. Above 172.81, we actually could test 177.82 today. Holding above 172.81, this market can recover potentially to 178.04 today. If we break or open today below 172.81, you should anticipate 168.22. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.